We'll guide you through how to download and install Lucky World Invasion in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This mod pack has a theme of lucky blocks and invasions, so let's go and get started with getting it. First of all, we need to quit Minecraft. So to go and do this, we do need to go and get an app, as it's the easiest way to go and get mod packs. I'll be guiding you through it step by step. Go and open up a web browser like so. The app we want to go and get is called CurseForge. It's important to note you do need to have Minecraft already installed for this to work. Go and search for CurseForge and come to curseforge.com. And we need to go and get the app. But on CurseForge, you can get loads of different mods and mod packs for different games, not just Minecraft. But click on the app button in the top right, and you can then scroll down and we can tap on download standalone like so, and it will download. Just before we start the install process, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server, and at the moment you can get 25% off your first invoice. I'll go and put a link down below in the description and the pinned comment you can go and check out. They've got so many awesome features like one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support that means you can go and get help anytime you need it, amongst many other great features as well. So big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. But now to continue with the install process, we need to go and open up our file explorer. You need to come to your downloads. Here we are. What you need to do is find the installer and go and double click on it to go and run it. You'll go and get this pop up here and you want to go and click on next. You'll go and see the installation folder and you need to go and accept the terms of use and privacy policy and be at least 18 years old. I've already read and agreed to these, so I'll press next here. Then I can click on accept and install, because I do, and it's now going to start downloading and installing. When it's finished, it should automatically open up. Go and look over to the left and you should go and see the Minecraft icon, as you can see. If you can't, as I said before, it does need to be installed for this to work, but if it is installed, then click on the plus and you can click on scanning computer for games, or you can manually go and add it. Go and select it. You'll go and see I've got some mod packs here, as I've gone and used this before. But what you can do is tap on search at the top and go and type in Lucky World like so. It should appear with that. And here it is, Lucky World Invasion. So you can click on it and you can scroll through and read through the overview if you wish. But to go and get it, click on install in the top right. And now go and wait. It will start downloading it all. When it's finished, you can go to the top right and tap on play, or we can go back to mod packs to click on play as well. All we need to do is hover over it and we can go and click on play and it will go and launch. The game has now loaded. You'll go and see things look a little bit different, but to go and get started, click on single player and click on create new world. Here we are, the game has now gone and loaded. You'll see things look slightly different. To go and get started though, you need to go and tap on single player. Go down to the bottom and tap on create new world. Now you want to go to the top and click world. In the world type, you need to click through until you have skyblock selected, and you can click on customize to the right. And you can then go and choose a race here, for example. And so here we are, we can then go and start playing. It's really fun.